Well, good afternoon. We are on sand dunes.
In some razor tracks.
We are out and about today in the Black Pearl in a sultry 102 degrees, going up here to gather up a Ford Bronco that rolled over on the worst half of Wayne's World by the memorial. For you people that are familiar with the area, I always get this trail and Plan B mixed up, but we are going out and about to see what we can get done to get this whole thing gathered up. A little bit of a rollover situation. The owner's just fine, but he's got a flat tire and he got a ride out, so me and Becky are working our way in here, see what we can do to get him taken care of and get it back to the yard and hopefully hauled down to the body shop so they can decide what they're going to do with it. But we'll get out here and we'll get the cameras rolling. We'll take you along for the ride.
Oh, the airbags are off.
It's all right.
That'll be fun.
They got them out of the way. Well, that's a lousy deal. It's not too worse, too. I don't know. It's kind of beat up. I need a lighter jack. I know that much. Joel German had tell me that I need some magic jack that's made out of metal instead of aluminum. I should use a soft shackle on this recovery just for you, Joel.
What's that? Some kind of a sensor.
Where?
There's something down there on the ground.
Jeez, I should just air that up, huh? And take it. Oh, by the way, you might think it looks nice out here, but it's not at all nice. It is literally 105 degrees, and I'm wearing the wrong color for 105 degrees. But hopefully we can air up this tire, check this thing all out, and being Ford tough, we might be able to drive this thing back to the rollback and then we'll haul it down to the body shop. But don't come visit us in the summer. It's too hot. Come in like January through April and then leave us alone. Okay? Don't you agree?
It's hot.
It's hot. Well, we'll get this thing aired up. Hopefully we can drive it out of here. It's a little hot to be dragging one out with a rope, but woo, yeah! Scared the crap out of me. Wow. It's got oil and antifreeze in it. We should be good to go. Passenger door ajar, swing gate ajar.
The back one's open?
Yeah, let's get out of here. got her loaded. It's always nice when you can go up there and air up a couple tires and check them all out and drive them off. But that's always a project, getting them full size out of there. But thankfully everybody's okay, and we'll get this thing back to town and get it checked out. Thanks for jumping in there and coming along for the ride. Look at all that dirt. Rollback on dirt road.